What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You already know it's Jerry. You're watching Where's Garage, and today you guys it's going to be on the right side air vent. So you guys know I got the left side one, but then I seen that it doesn't really benefit my car. It doesn't do anything. That's for the left side one is for pretty much if you have no filter, like the intake with a filter. But you guys know I have the Cobb SF airbox one, so that doesn't really help my car. So I took my bumper off and seen that if I get the right side one, it will go into the air duct, and that's how it been for me. So I'm doing it. I got the right side air vent, carbon fiber one. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on. And two, again, guys, for the left side air vent, carbon fiber. I'm getting that away. All you guys have to do is just the video I posted on the shorts of me saying the giveaway, and I'm wearing a red shirt. Go on that video, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to my channel to enter to win that. I'm gonna do the see who's the winner once I get 700 subscribers. So good luck to everyone that's entered in that. But let's get going on this video. All right, so as you guys know, see, so when you get the Cobb SF airbox, you know it goes this hose that goes to the stock air duct. Then if you follow it, see, it goes all the way to right here, then right there. You guys can see. So that's why I'm doing the right side one. I have the right side one right here. I'll show you guys, and yeah, I have tape here because I'm gonna cut to where I need to be at. So I'm trying to get at least too close to around this area and get going. So here's the right side one. So I'll go right. I'll probably cut it to go about right here, because this is where the hole at to go to my box. So it's going to probably sit like something like this. So sit like that around up here. Like I said, I want mine to be functional, because there's no point getting the left one, because it's not going to do anything. It's going to go through here and just go straight, hitting pretty much nothing. So that's why I'm putting the right side one, because it's, like I said, that stock air duct goes all the way right here, then the hose right there. So air will be right here, air goes to flow through here, goes right here, and then fresh air will go to my filter, to the motor. So that's why I'm doing the right side. And yeah, so and after this, I'm going to just put you guys on, and I'm going to start doing some cutting and go from there. So enjoy. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll be done talking. Let's go. Move, watch out. Watch out. Eat it. What? So there you go, guys. Have it on. Well, I don't have it on. Like I forgot. The main thing I forgot to get is the 2 little tap screws. There's 4 of them. So you want to get a drill, and you want to mark where you want to put it. Drill the holes. Then you get the screws that taps in. But I'm going like this. Is what it looks like when I cut it. This is like there's this piece right here at the cut because it's in the way. That's if you guys. You do the right side if you guys running the Cobb SS airbox, because it goes, like I said, it goes from here all the way to this hole right here. See, you guys can see, going straight to it. What I'm gonna do, I'm trying to get make something like a tube or something that kind of follows, like hook it up behind this. From this, and have it going straight, like hooked to that. I mean, the air going straight to there, if you guys can see. So I gotta try to find some top screws and screw them on. Then I'll show you guys when it's done. So I'm done. So now I'm gonna drill holes to put the screws. So let's get going. So I can't find the ones that I had. Like it was like half of the length of this, and it looked more cleaner. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these for now, and then I'm gonna go to the store, find some good ones, replace them. Or I'll think about maybe getting the ones where you can thread. The threads where I can put a bolt behind, nut behind it and screw it in. Then I know it will stay in good. But these would be good too. But I don't use these just for now. But there's some shorter ones that I thought I had, but I don't. So I gotta go to the store and get some shorter ones. But these will do for now. So I'm gonna put these on. Doing this because you can crack it. So it looks like it's a gap. It's a gap. I gotta push it more down so I can screw those down. But I'm just want to show you guys. But that's how it is right there. The right side. So like I said, you can see it goes in the air. It goes through there. It goes out from this thing right here. It goes all the way to here and to my airbox and to the filter. So that's how you guys put the carbon fiber air vent on, and just be careful so you don't cut it way too over, because then you will have like showing like parts where you cut, and you don't want that. It is scary to do. So I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I was scared of doing it, but that's how you do it. Let me show you. There you go. That's how it looks. Nice. Like I said, I have weather strip that at work I can take that off and I can put it around it and make it look like I said, like a cleaner look. But that's how you do it, guys. That's what you do. I'll show you guys with the hood closed. And there you go, guys. That's how you put your carbon fiber air vent on the mazdaspeed. Again, guys, I have the left side one, which I don't need because it won't do anything for my car the way my setup is. So again, go to the shorts video and it says giveaway. Subscribe to the channel. And when you do subscribe to the channel, go on to that video, comment, subscribe. I will look if you subscribe. If you did, you will be entered to win the left side carbon fiber air vent for your mazdaspeed. Or if you have another car you don't know speed, I mean, you can probably retrofit it to fit. These is all for 350Z, so the ones that have 350Zs, that will fit directly to your car from the filter. So again, thanks for watching, guys. Comment in the bottom of the video. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Like, subscribe if you have it, and I see you in the next one.